Bless you.
Hello, Duck. Hello, little bear. What are you doing? Jumping over puddles. Oh, I like to relax in puddles.